Hey everyone, today is a quick video. I'm sharing with you 2 pencil packs I have put together for the Processing Center. The 2 themes are centered around the older age groups. So the first pack has a boho theme for the older girls. My mom crocheted these beautiful hearts. I have many different colors of these, but I love the colors of these ones for the boho style. I bought a pack of these small notebooks from Amazon, and they have different sayings on the front. I'm putting in 2 erasers. They have different symbols under the rainbow. The little rain cloud is my favorite. And then my mom gave me these loot bags. So in my pencil packs, I'm putting in 5 pencils and 2 click pens. Now these pens are made with craft paper, so less plastic on the pen. Stainless steel sharpener. Most of these items came from Amazon, so if you would like any links to anything, just let me know. And then I'm adding in some note cards, those 2 erasers, and the notebook. I love this goldish brown color on the heart, so I decided to put it inside the notebook like a bookmark. Now these loot bags, they came with these ties, but I decided to use a wooden clothespin instead to close it. I just thought that might be a little bit more useful to them. Plus, I like to use those little ties for my indoor plants, for my vining indoor plants. And that's how I did these boho style pencil packs, focused for the older girls. That is the light purple one, and then I did a pink one. And here's all of them put together. When I ran out of wooden clothespins, I did use some of the ties on the rest of the pencil packs. Now my motivational pencil packs. These are focused on the older boys. They are also made to be bold and bright. I've already put in the folded notebook paper. On the back of each of these, I'm adding in a motivational postcard. This one says, "No one is perfect, that's why pencils have erasers." And then thank you to my sweet friend, Nikki Chicote, here on YouTube. She gave me these really bright and fun pencils. And then I ordered a couple of these bendable pencils. I'm just putting 2 in. I bought them in bulk, and I'm putting 2 in. Now, because these pencils are pre-sharpened, I had to put them in a paper coin envelope so that they wouldn't mark up the notebook paper. And you can find those coin envelopes on Amazon in bulk for very inexpensive. 5 pencil cap erasers. And then 2 click pens made with that craft paper. A brightly colored pencil sharpener, and then a motivational notebook. This one says, "Where there is life, there is hope." And that's how I did my motivational pencil packs. So I just wanted to show you some different ways you could theme your pencil packs. I have a lot of fun doing that, and I had a lot of fun making them. So I'm looking forward to sending these off in November. I hope you are all doing well, and I will talk to you soon. Take care.